Very well. How to update existing rows in n8n without affecting other data type. With this video, I conclude the guide. Well, I need to give a brief explanation, so let's do that. Basically, here we set the operation to update row and select the document, sheet, and page. Here it says, mapping the column, okay? How will we map the column? By setting a value for each column or auto-mapping data that syncs with Google Sheets column. That's up to each person to choose. It says, the column to configure. It means which column to compare for updating information. We'd select the column from which we want to extract the data, and so on. Here we'd input the values we want to update, like the title or description, and configure variables to update those columns or others. We can also add columns, as you can see, and set different options, such as the format we want for the information being entered. It says information located within the table. This is basically where you can locate this information, like the header row, first row, and so on. And that's it. We've now briefly explained all the nodes in n8n, specifically within Sheets.